Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Paradise and hell argued with each other. Hell said, 'I have been made exclusive for the arrogant people and the tyrants.' Paradise said, 'What is the matter with me, that none but those who are considered weak and lowly in the society will enter me?' Thereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said to Paradise, 'You are my mercy. I will bestow my mercy by you on those of my bondsmen whom I please,' and said to hell, 'You are my torment. So by you I will torment those of my bondsmen whom I please.' And each of them has got its fixed fill. But as for hell, it will not get filled until Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will put his foot. Whereupon it will say, 'Enough, enough.' And at that very moment it will be filled up, and its different parts will squeeze and joint with one another. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not wrong any of his creatures. As for paradise, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will create new creation to fill it up." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4850.